Mr. InStitches and I are keeping a little video diary of our 24 days to a crafty Christmas. So to begin, I'm starting a big cozy Christmas blanket. I'm going to work on it a little bit each day, and by Christmas morning I intend to have something new and festive to wrap up in. So to that end, I've got these 4 really huge balls of a bulky weight size 6 yarn. They're acrylic. Each ball is 400 grams or 431 yards. I've got a warm white, a rich green, I've got a bright red, a soft gray, and I've been wanting to use these up, so I'm going to stripe my blanket to look a bit like a peppermint. I'm going to change color every 6 rows. I've got my trusty scissors, a yarn needle, and I'm using a big 8mm hook. This is an L or an 11 in the US. I think it's a 0 in the UK, but you can use a big hook that suits your stitchery if you're going to make a project like this along with me. So a 9mm, 10mm, doesn't matter. I've taken a page out of Mama InStitches' book, and I'm using the half double crochet stitch to keep things nice and simple. So I worked up a quick sampler to measure, so I have a basic gauge and I know how big the stitches are going to look with this stitch and my hook. And I really like it so far. I'm going to start with 101 chains. I'm going to half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. I'm going to half double crochet in every chain all the way back to the beginning, and that will leave me with 100 stitches. So if I chain 1 and turn at the end of every row will have 100 stitches in it. 100 simple half double crochet stitches. Nice and simple. Now all I have to do is sit back, put on a Hallmark movie, and get the blanket going. The holidays can be so crazy, so this blanket is going to function like my me time. I'll be sure to try and spend about 15 to 30 minutes on it every single day from now until Christmas Eve, and by my calculations I should be putting a simple border on it by the 24th. So here we go. You guys can check in with us tomorrow and see what comes next in our 24 days to a crafty Christmas. That's it for now. Bye everybody.
Hi everybody, Mr. InStitches here. Thank you for watching today. Here are some of our other videos you might be interested in. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.